Hi, my name is Sonya, and today we're going to be doing origami. We're going to be learning how to make paper cranes, so let's get started. To start off our crane, we are going to be making some diagonal folds. That just means we're going to be folding from corner to corner on the one side, and then we're going to be flipping it around and doing the next side. And the reason why we're doing this is because it's going to set us up for our next step, and that is to create a water balloon base. Now to do that, you're just gonna line up your edges along this edge and this edge. Make sure your corners are also matching, and then you're just going to squash down and crease. You'll wanna do the same thing on the other side. Match up those edges and the corners too. And you just want to squash it down and crease. So now you have your water balloon base. Now next we're gonna want to fold our corners in along these edges. Your outer edge should line up with the center crease you created last time. And you're just gonna do that for all 4 flaps. Flip it over and then do it for the next side. And crease. And now you're gonna wanna unfold all of that. Next, you're going to be holding down on this edge while you lift up from the top. And you want to pull up. Kind of looks like a mouth this way. But you're just going to get ready to fold that back. And it's going to help us make almost like a skinnier kite shape. And this is where you want to make sure that the edges are meeting, and you press down. Now we're going to flip it over and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. We're going to pull the corner down. Make sure your edges are lining up like this. So that way you are ready to just squash down. And now you've made another diamond shape. We're going to be taking those pieces we just did, and we are going to fold inwards. And it's almost like you're making these skinny little legs. So this side should be able to go up and down. And we're just going to fold over on the other side as well. When you're done with that, you can fold up, and I'm gonna do it on an angle like this. This is going to be creating the head and the tail of our crane. Now, you're gonna wanna do that again on the other side. Fold both of those over, because now we're going to be folding them in on themselves. The way we do that is we're going to turn it on its side. We're going to open up here, and we are going to fold inwards. Now we have one. We're going to do the same thing with the other side. We're going to open it up. We're going to fold inwards along those creases you just made and tuck it together. Now we're almost finished. You have to fold down the wings, and you're just going to want to fold down where you feel resistance. There's gonna be a little bit of a triangle here. It's gonna be the top of the body. You'll do the same thing on the other side. Now you have your crane's wings. Now we're almost done. Those same infolds that we did for the sides, we're going to be doing to make the crane's head. We're gonna fold it down on this side. We'll do it again on the other side. And now when to open up, fold down and press. And now you've got your crane. Thank you so much for joining along, and have a great time making your cranes.